This Earth Day week, discover how to enhance your oral health while protecting the planet. Make a significant impact with every brush using eco-friendly alternatives. Try using eco-friendly products. Bamboo toothbrushes, durable, biodegradable, and made from a fast renewable resource. Herbal toothpaste, free from harmful chemicals and packed in recyclable containers. Biodegradable floss, minimizes plastic waste, maintaining your dental health without harming the environment. Tablet toothpaste, reduces packaging waste with concentrated waterless tablets. Recyclable mouthwash bottles, made entirely from recycled materials, further reducing plastic use. Switching to these products can reduce your environmental impact significantly. Create sustainable habits. Turn off the tap while brushing. Save water to decrease your ecological footprint. Proper disposal. Recycle toothbrushes and toothpaste tubes through dedicated recycling programs. Join us in making a difference at Channel Island Family Dental. Your smile counts.